Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change language on HBO Max. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are using the HBO Max application to get the premium content advantages, then you have now the option to change language even on HBO Max app. However, the application is available on both Android and iOS, even though the steps for changing language are similar in both of them. But for a clear view of the concern below, we have shared some instructions that you should try out. Before doing the below given steps, make sure to choose the language option same as device language in your HBO Max app. First, head over to your device settings. Then, tap on the system option. Tap the language and input option. Now, choose your desired language. And that's how you can change language on HBO Max. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.